Hey there my retro dolls, what's up? So today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. I told you guys a little bit ago that I was going to be doing a space buns tutorial specifically for long fine hair. A lot of you guys think that I just have a lot of hair, and well, that you know what I mean, I think. But the reality is that my hair itself is super fine. Like the strand itself is so fucking fine. Can you even see that? It has no life, body, whatever to it, and the fact that my hair is so freaking long, this is about what it does. So if you yeah, and I've actually been wanting to cut it. Anyways, let me not get into a tangent and just get into the video. All you're gonna need are some bobby pins. It just says disinfectant on it because I'm a hairstylist, okay? State board matters apparently. Some bobby pins, a rat tail comb, and a brush if you need it. Mine is gross and full of my hair because I just brushed my hair out. And then 2 hair ties. Boop. Just part your hair however you want. I'm gonna part mine down the middle. Heads up, I have dry scalp, so if you see anything, like, be kind, okay? Be kind. Fun fact, if you want to know how to do a straight line, which I probably did not do. Oh, I did. Okay, cool. Put your finger at the other end of the comb and it kind of like helps your mind kind of connect one to the other. I'm not really going to show you the back of my head because, like, what's the point? But anyway, so part your hair down the middle. I'm going to take my ring off because it keeps getting caught and everything. Now, this is how I do my space buns with my long, fine hair, just to make it look a lot fuller than it is. So basically, you're going to put it into pigtails, essentially. By the way, if you want to know how I do my color and all of that, then go to my Instagram, which will be linked down in the description, and in one of my highlights it says my hair, and I go through the entire process of dyeing my hair, including mixing the color. Okay, so once you have it in your little piggy tail, you're gonna do a half bun. Hopefully you're able to see this. You go like that. You get it halfway through the bun, like that. Pull it through halfway, and then I just twirl it around my fingers a little bit and get my 2 fingers right here and grab the extra and pull it through, and then I kind of just mash it all down and create kind of its own little weird random bun. Then this is why bobby pins are essential for this look, because this is where you're gonna create like the voluminous space bun look, which I hope you're able to see. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. I just pinned right here down to like keep all of these hairs in check right here. Now I'm just gonna shape it and twist it around and kind of just spread it out and get creative with the shape. That's really all it is. Moving your hair around and seeing what looks cute and bobby pinning it, and just spread it out if you like. And that's one down. Bam. Sorry if the lighting is garbage, but hopefully you're able to see this big space bun we got going over here. Even though my hair is really fine and there's not much volume to it at all, you can still get the volume. Boop. Okay. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So I just want to say something to you guys about the last video that I did about things have changed. I've gone through a lot, and I wanted to just say thank you to all of you who left really awesome, inspiring, kind messages in the comments. You guys seriously are everything to me. I don't know where I would be in life without you guys. I don't know that I would be this far into my self-discovery, self-love journey, whatever you want to call it. I just want you to know that I appreciate you. That's all. Also, now that I'm not like taking time to describe what I'm doing with my hair, you can see just how quick and simple it is. And then once you get that, and this hairspray that I use is Vibrant Sexy Hair. I'm sorry, there's like mist everywhere. This is from the Sexy Hair company. I bought this with my own money. They did not send this to me, not sponsored whatsoever. I'm just a really big fan of this company. And this hairspray in particular is for color treated hair. So it's not gonna strip your color like some hairsprays tend to do. That's it. That's my space buns. That's how I do them every time. I guess I'll turn around and show you guys everything. Alright guys, so that was it. Like I told you, super simple. This was like a really quick video to film. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you guys recreate this. Link me in the pictures, like tag me in them if it's on Instagram, let me know. Anyways, that's it. I love you guys, and remember, until next time, if they ain't paying your bills, pay them no mind. Check you later.